Disclaimer: this experience reflects my personal case and may not apply to all Amazon Japan orders or sellers. Return and refund policies can vary depending on the item, seller, and situation. Always check your order details and contact Amazon support for guidance specific to your case.
Order that, got this, process the return, receive the refund, but they let me keep it? Here's exactly what happened.
This is the item that Amazon delivered to me. As you can see, this one is totally different compared to the one I ordered. So, you open the box. Here is the item. And when you check the actual item, different item.
After confirming that the actual item was different from what I ordered, I decided to return it. First, you open your Amazon app. Click this icon and then click your orders. Click on the item you want to return. When you scroll down, you will find here return items. It says that it is eligible through January 31. Click the return items. Then select the most appropriate reason why you need to return it. In my case, it is different from what was ordered. Write down the detailed reason here. Then click continue. Here, it says that the seller will refund it to my original payment method. Click continue. Here, it says that the detailed return process is explained in the next page. So I just click confirm your return. And my label is ready to print. It also says that I need to return the item by February 1st. When you click the print label and instructions, you will find the return ID. For the return mailing label, it says that the seller will provide within 5 days, so I waited for their email. This is the email I received from Amazon. If you click the print return label and instruction, it will open a new window on how to return. It says that my return is eligible until February 1, 2025. This is the return address they gave me. It also says here that if you cannot use the prepaid label or carrier provided by the seller, you can ship your return package using a carrier of your choice. Now, I cannot find the prepaid label they are talking about and the seller did not provide a carrier. And when I googled this address, it is an address in China. It made me wonder which carrier I will choose, taking into account it is overseas. The first thing that comes to mind was DHL, but who will shoulder the delivery cost for the return? It should be the seller, right? Since it was their mistake, not mine. I have a lot of questions, so I decided to contact the seller. If you click this, you will be redirected to Seller Messaging Assistant. You select the item and click Others. So here in the messaging box, you can put your question. This is our conversation. January 5, I asked that the return address you gave me is China. How to send it overseas? How about the shipping fee? You have sent me the wrong items and I'm not willing to pay for the return fee. January 6, I asked for the return process and the English address, but they did not reply to any of my questions. I did not receive any reply from the seller. So came January 10, I haven't received any response from them. So I asked the help of the customer service. To do this, just click on your account, go to your account, then click on the contact us. Select the item you are concerned about and proceed with the prompt here on how can we help with this item. I choose the return, exchange, and refunds concern until I was able to talk to a customer agent. I wasn't able to make a recording. I just said that they gave me return address which is China and I do not know how to proceed and how about the shipping cost. When they checked, they said that the seller already processed the return. They asked me if it is okay for me to accept the refund without returning the item and I said yes. The customer service then contacted the seller. So here is the message of the customer service to Amazon seller. They said that I reached out and unable to proceed with the return because it is overseas and the return shipping fee. He also said that refund already processed and I can accept the refund without returning the item. He asked the seller if that is okay and asked them to reply within 48 hours. After the customer service messaged the seller, I received a reply. They asked me about the item and asked me to send a photo. I sent this photo. I encircled the parts that are different. This one, and the actual item. After they have confirmed the photo, they told me that they will refund me in full. But still, they did not answer my question on how I will return the item and who will shoulder the shipping fee. So I asked them again on January 12th, and on January 14th, they said, no need to return it. It is given to you for free. Thank you for your support. And that's it. And that's how I get the item for free. So yeah, it didn't go how I planned, but I got a free item out of it. If this ever happened to you, don't panic. Just contact the Amazon customer support. If this helped you, drop a like, comment your experience, and subscribe for more Japan tips video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye. Matane matane.